Okay guys, here's the time of the break. 9:35 a.m. Serial number on the box. I'm just gonna open it here to try to give you a clearer picture. $89949-710. Okay, good luck. Empty box. Pack number 1. Base, first hit for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Classic ticket, Daryl Sittler for Toronto. Base and base. Base. Next hit is a leather larceny for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Steve Mason. Columbus. Base. Base. Spacer. Base and base. 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 Next hit, Rookie of the Year contenders for the Anaheim Mighty Ducks, Cam Fowler. Base and base. Base. The next hit goes to the Buffalo Sabres. This is Luke Adam, rookie auto for Buffalo. Base and base. There are 4 autos in a box. Base. This one here will be a random. I'll have to do it after the break is done. Oh, sorry, no, it's not a random. This is strictly draft tandems, both for Vancouver Canucks. It's Daniel Sedin and Henrik Sedin. So that goes to Vancouver. Base and base. Base. Next hit for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. This here is out of 100. Base and base. Base. Spacer. Base and base. Base and base. Base. Next hit, Wards contender for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos for Tampa Bay. Base and base. base, 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 and base. Well, the autos must be on this side. Base, base. Next hit, also for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Lottery winner, Steven Stamkos. Base and base. Base, base. Winter Classic for Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Base and base. Base, base. Against the glass. This goes to Dallas Stars, James Neal. Spacer, base and base. Base, 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 base and base. Base, base. Another leather larceny for Anaheim, Jonas Hiller. Base and base. Base, base. Okay, we have a redemption here. It's 2010 Playoff Contender rookie tickets. Card number 130. I'll get to that here in a second. Number 130 is Brandon Yip. So I believe that goes to Colorado. I will double check that. Base and base. Base, base. Legendary Contenders, Mike Bossy. This is out of 100. That goes to the Islanders. Base and base. Base, base. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Tumarutu against the glass autograph. That's a nice card. That's for Carolina. Base and base. Base, base. Legendary Contenders again for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Brian Trottier. Spacer, base and base. Base, 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 and base. 2 packs left, and I still think there's one more auto. Base, base for the Detroit Red Wings, perennial contenders, Thomas Holstrom. Base, base. Last pack here. Base, base. And it's for the Anaheim Mighty Ducks. Rookie, Kyle Palmieri. Palmieri or something. Autograph for Anaheim. Base and base. Okay, thanks everyone. I'll try to have the cards shipped out today. If not, I'll get them to you out on Monday. Thanks a lot.